Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So I do beauty content and lifestyle content. So if that is what you like to watch, be sure to subscribe to my channel and join the Loud family. Next to the subscribe button, there's a bell button. So click on the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And of course, do like my video because by clicking like, you will help the channel grow. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got in a haul from Shopee and MYSALE. So let's get to it. The first thing I got is this handbag from 9 West. So it looks like we used to have 9 West in Malaysia, and then I think they closed down shop here. So I got this handbag through MYSALE. I actually have seen this handbag online in other websites, but with the price and the shipping, so I did not want to actually splurge on it. And so when I saw it on MYSALE and it was on sale at that time, I quickly grabbed it. So I got it like relatively cheaper than other websites that I saw it on. And this handbag is currently still on sale on MYSALE, but this color, they don't have this color. They have another color. They have a white and brown color, which is also nice, but I wanted this color because I don't really have much grey bag. Although if you think about it, we're not gonna go anywhere just yet, but I just like the design of the bag. You can carry it like a handbag, or so you can make it into a crossbody bag as well. So it has like a clasp here. So it has like quite huge space inside. It has like a slot here, and it also has a slot behind here. It's quite easy to put handphones and everything. So yeah. So the next thing I want to share with you is this wedges. I think it's called wedges. Yeah, it's these wedges from Clarks. So I got this on Shopee. It was on sale. So yeah, I know we're not going to go out as much right now, but I just wanted to buy something that is like, you know, dressy enough to go out, and but also comfortable to wear. So yeah, I think Clarks always have like sale during this coming 9/9, they might have a sale, so do check it out. Okay. The next item that I got is actually a makeup item, and this is the only makeup item I got during this haul. So I got the Lancome 10 Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. So I got this during their super brand day, I think. Yes, so it was normal price, but I got an additional 10 ringgit off, and also they gave me like free gifts. So I think it was quite worth to get it, because I got like this whole entire face stuff, and also sample sizes of their other products like lipstick, mascara, which is foundation brush. I have a review and wear test video on this foundation, so check it out when I post it, maybe after this video. So the next item that I got is actually mixing bowls. So this mixing bowl is from Avanti Homewares. If you remember, I did a haul recently also, and I bought measuring cups and measuring spoons from the same brand. So this is actually the same design as those measuring cups and measuring spoons. So if you can see, it's actually melamine. If you see the bottom, it actually has like a rubber at the bottom, so when you put it on the table, it doesn't wobble, it stays on. When you mix your cake batter or whatever batter that you mix it in, dia memang stable. So although it's a bit pricey for melamine, it really has a weight to it, and it feels premium. So I don't really mind paying the price that I got for it. So I recommend this if you are the type yang selalu macam bake, but you don't want the hassle of having glass I mean, of course, certain type of baked goods you need to mix it in a glass, like meringue. Meringue you have to do it in a stainless steel bowl or a glass bowl. But apart from that, you can actually use normal plastic bowl. So this is not plastic, this is melamine, so it has a weight to it, like I said. So this is really good. I've used this mixing bowl to make macarons. So I did my macaronage in this bowl with no problems, and my macarons turned out really nice. So yeah, I really like this bowl and I highly recommend it. I got this bowl also on MYSALE, and as of right now, this bowl is back on sale, so you can get it. I'll link the link to the bowls in the description section. Another kitchen tool, baking tool that I got is actually this. So cute. So it's actually a measuring spoon. It's plastic, so but it has like a heart shape. It looks like a cherry. This is an egg separator, so you can use this to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. So if you want to do like a meringue or something, and then these are the spoons. So I got this on Shopee. So cute. The next item that I want to talk about is this jars. Okay, this jar is actually not glass jars. It's actually, I don't know what kind of material this is, but I think this is plastic. So it looks like glass, but it's actually not glass. So it's airtight. It's actually really airtight, and I really love these jars because I do a lot of baking. So I need like a proper organization system. So I actually got this jar in a smaller size, and I got it from Mr. DIY, but I couldn't find it anywhere else. Even if I did find it in Mr. DIY, not Mr. DIY has it. So I found this on Shopee. I found this from a local seller that is selling it for quite a reasonable price, and this one is actually, the one that I'm holding right now is actually a second grade one. Second grade means that it's new but it has scratches, but honestly you can't really see the scratches. And once you put in once you put sugar or whatever it is you put inside the jar, you won't be able to see the scratches. So I bought the first grade ones as well. I bought this just to compare the brand new, the first grade one and the second grade one. So actually there's not much difference. So if you want to buy a lot and you want to save money, the Shopee seller will actually have a live session whereby she will sell the second grade jars for you to get. So that is when you get the jars at a much cheaper price. I highly recommend. I'll put the Shopee shop link in the description section as well. To continue on with the kitchen organization stuff, I also got this. This is actually like a Lazy Susan, but it's for you to put like your sauce or anything that you want to put and place it in your kitchen. So I know there's a lot of shops that sells this, but I like this particular one because you can actually take out, and also it's quite big. You can see it's quite huge, so I can put all my sauce in one bowl. In one tray without having to buy another one. So I can put everything in this one huge tray. So yeah. So the next item that I got is actually toys for my kids for their birthdays. So what I got for them is actually a Love Diana doll. So if you did not know, Diana is actually a YouTube star, Diana and her brother Roma. So yeah, this is the doll that they created with, I think, Pocket Watch, name of the toy maker. So yeah, toy is really cute. This one is actually a superhero toy that can turn into a princess. So the quality of the doll is really good. I got this superhero doll, and the other one is actually a mermaid doll. So the mermaid turns into like a party dress. So yeah, it's so cute. The dolls are actually really good quality, although it's not expensive, but shipping wise is a bit more expensive compared to the price of the doll. But I think it was worth it because my second daughter is actually a fan of Diana, so it makes sense to just get one for her birthday. And I got this on Amazon, I think, so they do ship to Malaysia, so I'll link these dolls below as well. Okay, so that is it for my haul this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find it entertaining and useful. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.